Hello, I'm Dr. Rosalind Masterton, a Senior Lecturer in Biological Sciences, and I lead the Practical Provision for Biosciences here at the University of Kent. What is a practical? This is where you do instead of just listen. You'll apply what you've learned, test ideas, and actually see how things work. Bottom line, practicals turn knowledge into experience and experience into skills. At the outset, in Stage 1, our practical series begins with plenty of support, with step-by-step guidance to master essential equipment and techniques to build confidence and competence from day one. Meet Mika.
Hi, my name is Mika Leun and I'm from the Cayman Islands. I study biomedical science and I'm a first-year student. Today we're in the teaching labs taking a closer look at practicals. A practical is a hands-on experience in a lab where you can apply what you learn in a classroom. Today's practical is under the topic immunology. So in this experiment, we are counting red blood cells. We don't have to do the experiments on our own. We have past students or either master's degree students or PhD students, and we have our actual lecturers. The master's students I find particularly helpful because they would have been in this position recently, and so they kind of understand exactly where we are getting confused.
Thanks, Mika. As you have heard, our practicals are supported by postgraduate students who work as demonstrators alongside an academic who runs the class. So you'll have plenty of support in your practical classes. When you move from Stage 1 to Stage 2, you'll be able to use the skills you've gained to work more independently.
I'm Kira, I am a Year 2 biology student. We've been doing kinetic analysis on the effect of changing the pH and the concentration of OMPG on our lactase enzyme that we're investigating. And so the aim of this experiment is to figure out which extract is the most efficient and out of four and is going to be the best for lactose intolerant people to take. We've used ONPG instead of lactose because the ONPG will produce a yellow colour when broken down, and so today we've been changing the concentration of the ONPG to get different absorbance readings of the ONPG.
Stage 2 integrates practical skills into subject-specific modules. You'll take a dedicated skills-based module where you'll learn how to interpret scientific data, design robust studies, and create standard operating procedures, a key skill valued in clinical and industrial settings. Sammy gained valuable experience in the NHS during his placement year and is now building on that in his final year project.
Hi, my name is Sammy. I'm a third-year biomedical science student. One of the big things about being a bioscience student at Kent is you get hands-on experience with a variety of equipment in different labs. So in primarily our teaching labs, I've been able to work with various forms of equipment such as spectrophotometers, and been able to carry out multiple assays that are used within real scientific environments. Today, I'm in the Imaging Centre for Life Sciences.
By your final year project, you'll be able to take on complex challenges culminating in a final independent project. If your project is lab-based or data-driven, you'll research specific questions. Your answers could potentially contribute to new discoveries, adding to our knowledge and understanding. Your final year project will give you the opportunity to showcase the knowledge and skills you've acquired throughout your degree. By the time you graduate, you'll be a trained, independent scientist ready to make your mark in the professional world.